Hi, this is David from YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the other user option on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 desktop login screen. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have my list of all my users showing. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my administrative user. And from here, you will open up your start menu and you will type in GPEDIT or GPEdit. You will see Edit Group Policy. You'll open that. You're going to click on Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Security Options. Once you're in here, you will see Interactive Logon. Do not or don't display last signed in. I have mine disabled, but usually it will show not defined. I'm going to go ahead and enable that. Click Apply, click OK, close it out, and lock my account. Now, we are greeted with the sign in, but also with a switch user option. Once I switch users, I have my other user option, and I can sign in with any of my other accounts. I just have to know the name for it, and I can sign in. That's it. Very simple. If the video taught you something, hit like, hit subscribe, share with others, and check back for more amazing content. Thanks.